So students, we are continuing the topic of tolerance test or silver mirror test. Here I have taken this aldehyde and ketone, some differentiate things. Both are having carbonyl group CO, right? If you are talking about the aldehyde, both possess a carbonyl group, which is in the aldehyde. It's contain a carbon double bonded to an oxygen. An aldehyde has at least one hydrogen connected to the carbonyl carbon, and the second group is either a hydrogen or the carbon based group. Whereas in the ketone, it has two carbon based groups connected to the carbonyl carbon, right? And here I have taken one example that how the aldehyde goes in this silver mirror test. I have taken this aldehyde. Carbonyl group is this CO, RCHO, HCHO. This is a aldehyde whole. When aldehyde is treated with tolerance reagent, a reaction goes on between these two. And what happens? The oxidation of the aldehyde goes and it releases the silver ions. And it definitely shows 2Ag+. जैसे ही silver ions release हुए, इसका मतलब aldehyde ने oxidation किया and it goes on releasing of this silver metal, and it shows a positive silver mirror test. That's why I'm saying that aldehyde is always showing a positive silver mirror test and ketones not. When we are talking about this tolerance test, it is definitely a very clean and transparent test tube made up of glass, and silver ions present in the tolerance reagent are reduced to the metallic silver, as we have already shown in the previous reaction. And this is because of the reduction of the silver ions into metallic silver form. You have shown the silver ions release हुए थे. That means that it shows the positive silver mirror test. Let's proceed. There are few contents which I have mentioned here in the tolerance test. The first content is always the aldehyde shows a positive tolerance test and ketones not. Second thing, aldehyde can be oxidized into carboxylic acid, whereas ketones not. Third one, tolerance test एक qualitative lab test होता है, इसको हम घर पे नहीं कर सकते हैं. Next one and last, tolerance reagent is a ammonical silver nitrate alkaline solution. Fine. So there are few contents, 4 points about the tolerance test. Keep all these 4 points in your mind. Next, sometimes a kind of question come up in the exam. I have taken one example here. कुछ reactions दे दी जाती हैं और उस reaction के बाद उसका प्रोडक्ट दिखाया जाता है और उस प्रोडक्ट से पूछा जाता है कि क्या ये रिएक्शन टॉलरेंस टेस्ट देगी कि नहीं. तो हियर आई हैव टेकिंग दिस एग्जांपल. कंपाउंड X का ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ, इट गिव्स K2Cr2O7 एंड देन द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट कम अप, दैट इज फिनाइल हाइड्रोजीन. द क्वेश्चन इज दिस द रिएक्शन गोज positive silver mirror test or negative? Definitely it goes negative silver mirror test because phenyl hydrazine is not at all an aldehyde. phenyl hydrazine aldehyde नहीं होता और aldehyde जो नहीं होगा वो silver mirror test positive नहीं देगा. Always the aldehyde shows positive silver mirror test. Fine. Next thing I want to tell you one more thing. Keep up in your mind, that is glucose and fructose. दोनों में एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप होता है एंड बोथ हैव गिवन पॉजिटिव सिल्वर मिरर टेस्ट. कभी कभी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस में ये पूछा जा सकता है कि ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज ये दोनों सिल्वर मिरर टेस्ट देते हैं कि नहीं. तो डेफिनेटली योर आंसर विल बी येस, बोथ ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज गिव पॉजिटिव सिल्वर मिरर टेस्ट. फाइन. So that's all for today. It's all about the silver mirror test and tolerance test. I hope everybody now understand this topic. Definitely I will come with my next new topic. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Please keep up, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.